You're not bad at studying, you're just doing it in a way your brain hates. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to study less, remember more, and finally stop feeling like a failure every time you open your books. This isn't about motivation, it's about brain science and simple shifts that can completely change your results. You'll learn how to study in focused sprints, how to make your brain retain faster using one powerful trick, and why sleep and movement matter more than you think. So, if you're tired of wasting time and getting nowhere, stay with me. Because once you understand how your mind really works, studying stops being torture and starts becoming a tool for freedom. First step, break mental resistance. Let's start with this. Your brain resists anything that feels heavy, uncertain, or endless. Telling yourself, I need to study for 3 hours is like standing at the bottom of a mountain without a path. You freeze. So we flip the script. Don't say, I have to study. Say, just 20 minutes. That's it. One focused block. Your brain relaxes. You start, and momentum does the rest. It's not laziness, it's psychology. Second step, understanding is greater than memorizing. Here's the truth no one told you. You don't learn by highlighting, you learn by explaining. Einstein once said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. So do this. After studying a topic, try teaching it to a 5-year-old, even if no one's around. No fancy words, just your own language. Get stuck? That's gold. That's where the real learning starts. Simplify again. Own the idea. When you can explain it like a story, you've learned it for life. Third step, use active recall. Want to double your retention? Stop rereading. Start testing. It's called active recall. After learning something, close your book. Try to write down the main points from memory. No peeking, no notes. Just your brain at work. You'll forget some things. Good. That's how it locks in deeper next time. Use flashcards, self-quizzes, whiteboards, but always ask your brain to recall, not just review. Fourth step, study in focused sprints. Ever notice how you focus like a machine the night before a deadline? That's urgency, and you can create it on demand. Set a 30-minute timer, study like you're running out of time, then take a 5-minute break. Walk, stretch, breathe, repeat. This keeps your brain alert and avoids burnout. Short, intense bursts are greater than long, distracted sessions. Fake studying dies here. Fifth step, the 80-20 rule for exams. Not all study time is equal. Some topics carry more weight than others. That's the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. How to use it? Start with a practice test even before you study. Spot the patterns. Where do you struggle? What shows up often? Focus on that, not what's easy. Smart studying isn't doing more. It's doing what matters most. Sixth step, upgrade your brain with sleep and movement. You can master every study hack, but if your brain's not healthy, none of it sticks. Your brain doesn't store what you learn during study. It locks it in while you sleep. So pulling all-nighters, you're losing more than you gain. 7 to 8 hours of sleep isn't luxury. It's memory fuel. And don't forget movement. Even a 10-minute walk can rewire your brain for better learning. It's not just physical, it's mental clarity. Final message, applied knowledge is power. You're not falling behind because you're lazy. You're falling behind because no one taught you how to work with your brain instead of against it. Now you know. Start small. Pick one shift today. Even 20 minutes done right is enough to change everything. Because knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is.